Hello everyone, today we will learn how to design a vase like this one using SolidWorks. So let's start. So you need to choose, uh, you need to click on file, then choose the new file, then click on path, then OK, or you can directly open the SolidWorks, then click on path, then click on feature. After this you can get the reference geometry. Click on here, then click on plane, then after this choose font top plane, then put here the distance 50, then how many offset you want, put here. We want 4 to create a base, then OK. So we got 4 plane, 1 2 3 and 4. If we zoom you can see. So after this we need to click on here, click on uh, right side on your mouse, then you can got this option, then select the sketch, and after this you need to select a center tap rectangle. So click on here and you got many options, so we need this on center rectangle. After this take an rectangle, click on smart dimension, so put the value of width 30 and select this corner and this corner, put the value 30. So we select we put the value of width 30 and the height 30. So click on this sign, then you need to exit from plane on, then we select the plane 2, then we need a circle. Click here, then click on smart dimension, put 90, then OK. Then exit, then again right click on plane 3, then sketch, take a center rectangle, and dimension will be 40. After that click on plane 3 plane 4, then sketch, take another rectangle, take another circle, with the dimension of this circle is 60, and OK. Then exit this plane. So we got this, then click on Loft, then here you can notice already and select an scale, then you need to click on here, then delete. Now select on this plane 1, plane 2, plane 3 and plane 4, then okay. So we got this base design. Now we need to erase this middle of this base. Click on shell, then put the parameters 2, then select, and this. So we have done already this, done to create this base. Now you need to select, if you want to select the materials of this base, then click on here, edit materials. You can choose any type of design. I will choose copper alloy, then beryllium copper, apply, then close. So our design is ready. So thank you everyone to watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and like, comment and share. Thank you.